Welcome to 20 lecture of class 12 maths. Today we start the application of inverse trigo. We already learned about the principal values, properties of inverse trigo. Now we apply it to find the solution. In first question you have to prove 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 equal to tan inverse 31 by 17. In this you first take 2 tan inverse 1 by 2, you simplify it. In the simplification of it, you write the tan inverse 2 into 1 by 2 by 1 minus 1 by 2 square plus tan inverse 1 by 7. This tan inverse 1 by 7 in simple format. You have only to break 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 to form of 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 2x 1 minus x squared. Tan inverse 1, cancel the 2, 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Now tan inverse, you simplify it, 4 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Now you use the compound formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse 4 by 3 plus 1 by 7 by 1 minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 7. After simplification of this, you find the tan inverse 31 by 17. That is your RHS. Now you take any questions, first you simplify and see the right side and change the left side. We have taken second question. Second question, tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. You have find the value of this expression. Tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. Sin inverse 1 by 2, that will be pi by 6. 2, 3. Tan inverse 2 cos pi by 3. Now tan inverse 2 cos pi by 3, 1 by 2, to cancel. Tan inverse 1, that is value of 1, pi by 4. So value of this expression be pi by 4. Now third question is tan 1 by 2 sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x squared plus 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus y squared by 1 plus y squared. You have to prove x plus y equal to 1 minus xy. Let x equal to 10a and y equal to 10b. Because this format comes under 2 tan inverse x 10 1 by 2 sine inverse 2x 2 tan a 1 plus tan squared a. Similarly, 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus tan squared b by 1 plus tan squared b. Tan 1 by 2 instead of 2 tan a by 1 plus tan squared a, you can write sine 2a. So sine inverse sine 2a, that will be 2a plus 1 by 2 cos 1 minus tan squared b by 1 plus tan squared b, that will be cos 2b. Cos inverse and cos 2b, that will be 2b, cancel, and tan a plus b, tan a plus b, you can write it tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b as a compound angle. Instead of tan a, you can write the x, tan a equal to x, tan b equal to y, x plus y by 1 minus xy. Now, this equation be verified. Now, fourth question. Your fourth question be tan sine inverse 3 by 5 plus cos inverse 3 by 2. You have to simplify it. Now, these are in 3 ratio format. You have to change in the same ratio. Let sine inverse 3 by 5 equal to a. So, sine a equal to 3 by 5, cos a according to identity, that will be 4 by 5. So, tan a equal to 3 by 4, because sine a by cos a. Secondly, cos inverse 3 by 2 equal to b, cos b equal to 3 by 2, sine b, this will be in form of cot inverse. Cot inverse 3 by 2, you can write this equal to b, cot b equal to 3 by 2, so you write the tan b equal to 2 by 3. Now, tan a, instead of sine inverse 3 by 5, you write the a. Instead of cot inverse 3 by 2, you write the b. Tan a plus b, tan a plus tan b, 1 minus tan a, tan b. Instead of tan a, you write 3 by 4, tan b 2 by 3, 1 minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. Now simplify it and find the answer of this expression. fifth question. Your fifth question is sine pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus 1 by 2. You have simplified it. Sine pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus 1 by 2, that will be sine pi by 6. Instead of 1 by 2, you write the sine pi by 6. Sine pi by 3 sine inverse. Now this is minus sine pi by 6. This is, you go on fourth quadrant and write the sine minus pi by 6 sine pi by 3 plus pi by 6 minus pi by 6 sine pi by 2, and value of sine pi by 2 is 1. Your last question is cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6. Simply anyone can write the answer of 7 pi by 6, but it is not bijective format. So you first change it. Cos inverse cos pi plus pi by 6 cos inverse minus, this comes under third quadrant, minus cos pi by 6. Now according to functional rule, cos be negative in the second quadrant. So you write the cos inverse cos pi minus pi by 6 cos inverse cos 5 pi by 6. So final answer of this expression is 5 pi by 6. You can change the angles or values in the format of the bijective and then simplify it. Thank you. We discuss next problems on next day, and you solve the NCERT or other books and find the answer of the problems. If you have any problems or difficulty, then you discuss on the second day or online classes. Thank you.